Hi everyone, I'm Kiko, and I'm here to teach you all about the letter K. Let's get started. This is the letter K. Ooh, let's learn the sound the letter K makes. To make the K sound, your mouth will open like this, with the back of your tongue touching the roof of your mouth, and then you'll let out a little puff of air, like this. K, k, k. Can you try it? Go ahead. Yay! Now let's look at some words that start with the letter K sound. Kangaroo, king, kitten, kite, key. Those words all start with the letter K. Can you say those words with me this time? Kangaroo, king, kitten, kite, key. Yay, great job! Now it's time for a quiz. I'm going to say a word and you have to tell me if that word starts with the letter K sound. Here's an example. If I were to say the word kayak, kayak, and then ask you if it starts with the letter K sound, you would say yes. But if I were to say the word snake, snake, and then ask you if it starts with the letter K sound, you would say no, snake does not start with the letter K sound. Okay, it's time to start the quiz. Here's your first word. Keyboard. Does keyboard start with the letter K sound? It does. Keyboard starts with the letter K sound. Now, time for your second word. Rat. Does rat start with the letter K sound? Nope, rat does not start with the letter K sound. Let's try that one more time. Here's your last word. Kitchen. Does kitchen start with the letter K sound? Yes, kitchen does start with the letter K sound. Wow, great job, guys. Thanks for joining me today to learn all about the letter K sound. See you later.